Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you guys just fine. Alright, since the lockdown due to the COVID-19, we are going to carry out a lecture via online platform. Okay, let's see the topic for today. The topic is the guideline on the control of chemical hazards to have. If you are wondering, there are actually 4 ways how to do this, which is personal protective equipment, PPE, administrative and work practice control, engineering control and elimination. Alright, I will explain about engineering control first. Engineering control are plant processes or equipment that minimize the generation of hazardous substance, or which limit the area of contamination in the event of spills or leaks. There are types of engineering control, which is enclosure or partial enclosure, ventilation, automation of process and water spray. Okay, we are done for the first one. 3 more left. I want Fatin, Hajar and Reshman to present the topic. I will give you guys 10 minutes to prepare.
One of the ways to perform the hazardous control technique is through elimination and substitution. Elimination is a technique where we completely remove the hazardous material or process. For example, we get rid of the dangerous machine. While substitution is the technique where we replace or substitute the hazardous material or chemicals with the less hazardous one. For example, we replace the solvent-based paints with the water-based paints.
Alright, great work Hajar.
The next method is by using personal protective equipment, which is PPE. It is designed to provide protection from serious injuries from contacting with chemical hazards on the skin. For example, using chemical-resistant gloves, it can protect the hands from corrosive chemicals or sharp objects. And then, by using goggles, it can protect the eyes from potential splashes when handling hazardous chemical substances in a chemical fume hood. Based on the guidelines from DOSH 2001, employers must be trained on the use and shelf life of PPE, and the PPE must be readily available for the employees to use. PPE can be a complement and should be used in conjunction with other protective methods to reduce the chemical hazards.
Yeah, I totally with Fatina on this. Reshman, present your part now.
Hi guys, admin control is another form of hazard control, although it is least effective but can be implemented as an additional control. So admin control is limitation of workers' exposure, giving them shorter time in hazardous area. This is not effective as mentioned earlier because the risk is neither removed or minimalized. For example, job rotation implemented to limit exposure. Well, another example could be restricting access to work area to several people and not to all. Thank you.
Yes, that is basically all you need to know about controls on chemical. I hope you can implement these controls once you are in working field. Thanks guys, see you on the next class. Bye bye.